I was young, I was living my life like a goddamn idiot. Started shit and we finished it. At least I live my life with style. I no longer feel so proud. I feel a fire again. I feel a spark inside my heart. I feel alive again. I feel a fire again. I feel a spark inside my heart. I feel alive again. I feel the fire it burns. I feel a fire again. I feel a spark inside my heart. I feel alive again. You know I miss the boys. They're out in Syracuse. Some days wish I lived on the moon. Never had to meet another douchebag. Think back to when I met the boys. Age 19. We were living on Chamber Street. Fucking it up in December. Never could have guessed after all the times we cheated dead. I'll be standing here in my head. My heart, my spirit, someone instead. Really should have guessed after all the times that we got faded. That my brain might get downgraded. Thank God, I think I'm feeling alright. I feel a fire again. I feel a spark inside my heart. I feel alive again. I feel a fire again. I feel a spark inside my heart. I feel alive again. I feel the fire it burns. I feel a fire again. I feel a spark inside my heart. I feel alive again. I just got sick of the lose, so I decided to grow. Yeah, and I decided to glue. Sick of the lows. I just got sick of the lose, so I decided to grow. Yeah, and I decided to glue. Sick of the lows. I just got sick of the lows, so I decided to grow. Yeah, and decided to glue. Sick of the lows. I don't know why I try. You always run away. I don't know why I fight for this and shit never works out. I don't know why you lie. You always run away. I don't know why I fight for this when shit never works out. Yeah, it never works out. You and your head in the clouds. I lost your face in the crowd. I've been sick to my stomach, swim circles in my head. The doctor gave me pills, that shit just leave me brain dead. I'm barely scraping by this month, hanging on by a thread. I'm lucky if I pay my rent. I tend to get too high, smoke my whole life away. I spend my days and nights alone, numb, detached from it all.
It's been like this, Tom.
I don't know why you cry. You throw it all away. I don't know why I fall for this again. It never works out. With you, it never works out. You had your head in the clouds. You're too obsessed with yourself.
Happy Friday, everybody. Glad to see some people here. Not a huge crowd, but I just want to open up the stream with saying thank you for helping me get to 50,000 followers on Twitter. Really, really appreciate it. Couldn't have gotten here without a lot of you just engaging, commenting, liking, whatever you're doing. Not whatever isn't a negative term, but I really do appreciate it. It's been a very long and painful bear market, and somehow I've still been able to grow. Part of that's because I put out good content, but part of that's because you guys engage with that content. So I'm very thankful for you all, and let's get to it today. So yes, sir, I'm doing good, man. I'm feeling better, so that's good. Getting my voice back. Yesterday was probably like the worst day, but like with the flu, it goes up and then it comes back down. I did just take a shower, so my hair's like all wet and shaggy and stuff, but oh well. What's up, Steve? How's it going? Thanks again. What's up, Anchor? First as always. Thanks for being first. So yeah, let's just get into it. Guys, SPX. I mean, we're 2% from all-time highs. Yesterday we were 1.5% from all-time highs. Huge. I mean, those of you that have been following, I mean, we were, we turned bullish around here. Macro bullish. Didn't necessarily say the bottom is in, but, missed that by 4%. Pretty solid. For Bitcoin, I turned macro bullish around 17,500. For those of you who don't know, I started a DCA, so basically I just DCA'd through like all of this. Now, granted, I didn't DCA the SPX, I DCA'd Bitcoin, but that's pretty good, right? I mean, you nailed the bottom, essentially. If you followed that call, you nailed the bottom. We can't quite say the bottom's in until we make a new all-time high, but we're super close. I'm very, very excited to see this. I think crypto has a lot of legs to go still, but it's really, really good seeing, the S&P show strength. It would not surprise me if we kind of consolidated before going up. I think that'd be healthy. If we did just put a new high in, maybe some consolidation and then higher. I mean, again, huge. We hit that recession benchmark of 30% drawdown. Everyone was screaming doom at the bottom. Typical bear market bottom, and now we're seeing it go up and everybody very, very salty. NASDAQ also all-time high. I'll click on the NASDAQ real quick. Oh, wow, the NASDAQ is... Look at this. We made this, I made this a while ago. Without even knowing where that bottom is, we pretty much nailed that bull flag. That's great. This is awesome. I mean, the NASDAQ going up, lots of volume here on this weekly candle. Really, really like seeing this. I mean, guys, we could do something like this, right, where we kind of dip in, bull flag higher. Ultimately, I think that'd be we're obviously not going to get another COVID crash unless someone drops a nuke. But yeah, I still think something like this could be very, very possible. So be on the alert for that. But this is huge. I mean, I'm very, very happy with what's going on. DXY bounced off 101, huge. We ultimately need to lose 100. Just like SPX breaking all-time highs, we need this to lose the current major support area of 100. The music is back for Wall Street. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Total, not much change from Wednesday. Again, still think there's going to be some consolidation. Let's go to Tether. Tether dominance, again, nothing's really changed. Not Tuesday, Wednesday. Sorry, I do. This is the last week of class, and those are Tuesdays and Thursdays. But Wednesday, nothing's changed. I think we're still at the same level we were at on Wednesday. So ultimately, just holding support. Really need to lose 5.63. Onward to Bitcoin. Let's see. Do I have any water in it? Oh, nice. Nice. Bitcoin daily. Talked about this on Wednesday. We need to see compression. We need to see these bands compress. No matter what every other indicator says, and I'll go through them all for anyone that's new. But we need to see these compress, right? We need to see, no, it won't be like that. We need to see these bands compress. We need to see that range form. Probably take a month or two and then go up. I mean, it really doesn't get any more simple than that. I've told my Patreons, my trading students, all the same thing. Guys, we need to see consolidation. I think everyone's really, really itchy to long. I think everyone's really excited. And this is where you have patience and you look at your indicators and you trade your system. So for right now, have patience. Whether we do this or this, it's all going to range, right? And the larger move isn't going to happen until these bands compress. So could we put in a new higher high? Sure. Will it likely get rejected? Likely. So in my opinion, have some patience. It's probably going to be a month, maybe a month and a half. We basically need to have something like this or something like this. And if you're looking at this was October 23rd. This is December, right? This is 2 months. This is August to really, I'd say October. So again, another 2 months, month and a half, 2 months. Awesome. Looking at the 4 hour, my original call, turn these off for now, was likely, retesting support. Again, I don't know if we go all the way down to 38K, but, everything's kind of unchanged from Wednesday. We're already seeing that rejection, tweeted about it, put it up on Wednesday. Would really like to see a short pattern. Like if we can get like a double top here, would short that. But again, it'd be a really fast moving short play. I don't fully believe that. Again, like I don't think we're just going to nuke, right? Even if we do go down, even if let's say we go to 31K, let's say worst case scenario, trend reverses, we go to 31K, we still need to see a range. We still need to see something like this, to go down. These Bollinger Bands need to create volatility so that we can go down. Otherwise, you don't just do this all day on this asset. That's just not what happens. You need to see compression. We've seen compression in the past, whether it be a top or at a bottom, right? Top before we get these large kind of moves, upwards or downwards. You need to see compression. Let's talk about Bitcoin dominance, and then I'm going to end the stream. I hate to end it early, but I am still a little sick. I'm also hungry, and it doesn't look like we have a giant crowd here. It looks like the normal people are here, so I appreciate you for being here. But just wanted to talk about Bitcoin dominance. I just tweeted this. Bitcoin dominance has a potential head and shoulders on the daily. What does this mean? For those of you that have been in crypto for a while, you know what this means. You know that this will probably be like the next move upwards for Bitcoin. Bitcoin will probably go to like 50K. And then maybe Bitcoin goes higher. Maybe we just hit 45K and then this move down, we hit 50K. But essentially, this move down, I'm going to delete this. This move down will be quote unquote alt season, but we need to break this neckline. We need to break the head and shoulders neckline. We need to confirm that reversal. If that happens, boom, mini alt season. I don't think it'll be a true alt season, like a crazy bull market, crazy, everything's doing 10x's in one day alt season. But I think it's very evident that a reversal is happening. And on top of that, you also have these divergences, right? I drew these out. If we get them, I don't want to say it's certain that reversal pattern is going to play out, but I have high confidence that it will play out. So basically, when we get to this point here, the right shoulder, we're looking for altcoin setup. So probably over the next couple weeks, you're going to see me looking at alts. I'm going to be looking at Link. What's Link doing? Maybe Link's, forming a bull flag right now. What's Ethereum doing? Right? Like, is Ethereum holding support down here? Is Ethereum going to range back to support? Maybe get a double bottom that we can long. Because again, Ethereum to Bitcoin, you're sitting right on support, guys. I mean, this thing is ready to rip upwards. right? This is primed with Bitcoin dominance. This thing is ready to rip upwards. I don't care what people say on Twitter about Ethereum lagging and Ethereum not putting in the gains. Ethereum always puts in the gains after Bitcoin puts its gains in, and Bitcoin's starting to exhaust, evident by Bitcoin dominance. So Ethereum, honestly, probably a huge play. Thanks again for the congratulations on 50K. I really do appreciate it. But yeah, I mean, today's short and simple. Not a lot's changed from Wednesday. Just again, consolidating. Not a lot to talk about. Did want to say one last time, thank you to Coincatch for sponsoring the live stream. They're running a Christmas special right now. There's $13.50 in deposit bonus sign up bonus. You get 30% off fees for this month, and then you get 15% off for life. And one thing I want to note for you guys, the more people that sign up and that trading volume that goes up, I can get you higher percent off fees, and I can apply it to everybody's account. So if there's basically when I hit a certain level, I'm going to raise it to 20%. When I hit another level, 25%. I think I can max it out at 25%. I don't think I can go any higher. That's just what they do for margin. So with that said, guys, I'm going to end it there. Happy Friday. Have a nice weekend. Big UFC this weekend. You guys know I'm a big fan of the UFC, so look for my message in Discord. If you need a link to watch for free, I got the link, so just DM me. Don't send the FBI after me. With all that said, guys, be patient, users management. Good luck.